of course, yung oral and also axilla. Okay? So I am sure that nobody will ever, will ever, tawag dito, will ever, tawag dito, ito yung nasabing word, baka hindi ko masabi. Will ever permit himself or herself to be the mannequin, no? To show, to demonstrate yung taking of the temperature per rectum. Hindi naman pwede naman yung mabasa at mabigay ng instruction, no? Yung ganun ba? Okay, so therefore, no, hindi natin gagawin yun. So therefore, let's see now, oral. Of course, again, Philippine setting, what we use usually is our glass thermometer, di ba? And of course, there are two types. One is the oral. How will you know if it's oral?
Longer.
Then the bulb. Okay. This is the glass thermometer. The part. You have the bulb, and of course, you have the stem. Okay? And of course, there's a scale written on the bulb. On the scale, on the stem. Okay? And so therefore, this is the oral, and of course, this is the oral din. Oral din. Kaya lang made up by another manufacturer. Kasi yellow to eh. I think ito yung China.
Made in China.
Yung isa ay baka Japan o kung ano man. Okay, but anyway, both of them are oral. Okay? So oral is for oral, and of course yung rectal is for rectal. But there are times that of course you're going to take the axillary, so therefore wala namang axillary, ang ginagamit ay of course yung oral. Okay? Pero once yung oral ay ginamit na per axilla, then of course that will be for axilla all throughout. Okay? So ngayon, if it's your own, your own thermometer, then of course, siyempre, oral yan. Ito ganon. Okay? Okay, let us see now. And how do we take the temperature? Okay, so let's see kung oral yan. Okay, let us see. Ano mga special considerations with taking the oral temperature? To whom is it not allowed to take the temperature? Okay, okay, una, children. Who else? Ano mga situations wherein ang oral temperature is contraindicated? Again, you have
Infection.
your children again. Okay, those who have undergone oral surgery. Ano pa? Those who have oral lesions. Okay, ano pa? Anything else? Ano pang condition? Okay. Those who are restless, ayun. Those who are restless, those who have been epileptic, so therefore pag may epilepsy ay mayroong convulsive seizure, therefore yan ay hindi Those who have just taken hot o kaya cold beverage o kaya food, so therefore ay hindi mo nakukunan. Okay? O ano pa? Yes? Oh yes, yung may epilepsy, may convulsive seizure, those mayroong spasm, so bawal yun. O bakit nga bawal? O kasi it might be broken accidentally. Okay, also restless, o kaya yung mga irrational. Kasi irrational yung mga loko-loko, di ba? Kasi alam naman, kung restless, alam din ninyo kung ano yung reason doon. Irrational, baka lunukin niya lang, mismo, kaya agawin sa'yo, kaya kung ano mangyari. And therefore, bawal yun. Okay? Well, let's see. Again, to review, okay, gaano katagal natin, lalagay kong oral yan, 3 minutes, and then of course, pagka naman yan ay per axilla, 5 minutes. Saan natin ipapasok ito? On the posterior, what? On the sublingual pocket, no, of the tongue, sublingual, tabi. Okay, gano'n. And of course, when you do it, it's a good practice also. Di ba tayo maglalagay noon? You ask the patient, comfortable na po ba kayo? Kung gusto ninyo, adjust ninyo. Kasi, di ba? Iipitin niya yung kanyang labi, okay, later on, baka siya ay, mahirapan. And I'm sure, na-experience ninyo, na kinukunan kayo ng temperature, pagka hindi it's not placed comfortably, nasasaktan yung mga awit ang inyong mga, ang pisngi ninyo, kaya ang inyong labi. Okay? And therefore, adjust lang po ninyo, kung comfortable na kayo, that's it. Okay? And of course, when the thermometer is already in place, then you proceed with the taking of the pulse rate and of course of the respiratory rate. Okay? Next. So kung halimbawa naman per axilla yan, so ang gagawin natin, there are times na of course yung armpit is wet with perspiration. So therefore, you're going to wipe it first. But when you wipe it, you do not wipe it as in rubbing it. But rather, are you going to pat it dry? Kasi when you rub it, you're going to cause friction. So with friction, it's going to cause heat. So therefore, magbabago din. Okay? On the other hand naman, kung yan naman ay per rectum, okay, usually, under ano na yan, no? Yung pagkahalimbawa, when axillary o kaya yung oral is contraindicated. So, ang last resort mo lang ay rectum o rectal. Okay? And usually also, mga situations mo kung sa indicated ang rectal ay when sa atin, practice sa Pilipinas, yung mga newborn, yung bagong panganak. Okay, bago pa lang sila kapapanganak, yung very first temperature taking, usually ay yan ay per rectal yan. Okay? Rectal ang pagkuha niyan. Because of course, merong purpose yun. Yung pagkuha ng rectal sa mga bagong panganak, actually, ito also, ang sabi, no, is to determine yung patency, kung may butas, yung anus. Okay? Para makadaan yung meconium o yung kanyang stool, yung first stool ng mga newborn. Okay? Yun. Pero yung succeeding na mga temperature readings will already be done through axilla. Newborn yun, ha? Okay, pre-axillary na. Axillary na. Okay. Practice natin sa previous, sabi ko lang. Okay? Pero otherwise, kung according to, halimbawa sa policy, bawal ang rectal, usually, pagka newborn, ayan ay axilla. Okay? Ano pa ba importante? Of course, since yan nga ay sa, kung sa rectum naman yan, of course, how long are you going to insert the thermometer? Okay, between 2.5 to 3.5 kung adult yun, no? 2.5 to 3.5 centimeter. So in other words, 1 inch to 1.5 inches. Okay? Ang pag-insert. Okay, but of course, before you insert it, of course, you have to lubricate. Kaya natatanong kayo kanina. Okay, bakit meron mga para saan to? This is a lubricant, no? Lubricant ito. Okay, so lubricant para hindi ma-irritate. Okay? Are you following? Sige, ano ito, ha? Lubricant to, KY jelly. To lubricate so that it will not irritate the mucous membrane. Okay, you cannot, okay, so 2.5 to 3.5 centimeters ang length ng insert natin. Okay, because higher than that or longer than that, ano mangyayari, you might hit the vagal nerve and therefore it may irritate the vagal nerve that may lead to bradycardia. Okay, ay bawal yun. Bradycardia, mga bradycardia, slowing of the pulse rate, diba? Bradycardia. Ano yung bradypnea?
Slow breathing.
Slow breathing. Alright. So, yun na yun, ha? Okay. So, what else are you going to need? Okay, so, syempre, when you're going to take the vital signs, make sure that all the things that you're going to need will be available. And therefore, yes, yan ano, ha? Usual? No, yun na yun, stubby. Tawagin stubby or shorter ang valve niya. Stubby, tawagin nila. Okay, or shorter ang No, you're going to measure that now. They measure mo. Okay, let's see. And of course, we clean it. Every time you use it, we clean it. Okay? If it's the patient's own thermometer, you wash it with soap and water. Kaya lamang kung halimbawa naman yan, ay yung thermometer that's used in the ward, the common thermometer yan. We do not use it oral, but rather ay axillary yan. And therefore, of course, wala yung lalagyan ng katulad dito, but rather ay merong soaking solution yun. Kaya makita niyo sa ward, yan yung sa maliit na na usually bottle yun, na merong soaking solution doon, isa dalawang thermometer yan. And that is used for all. And therefore, kung gagamitin yan for all, gagawin natin, before you use it, you wipe it with the solution, and then of course, you wipe it with alcohol, after using it. Okay? And then you soak it. Right? Okay, great. Another one also, before using it, okay, make sure that the thermometer, yung level ng mercury is below 35. And therefore, to do it, you flick your hand. So, dapat ang pressure ay nagagaling sa wrist. Dito. Hindi yung... Okay. So, dapat nagaling dito sa wrist. Kaya therefore... Okay, dito. Magaling. And before you shake it, make sure that the area is free of any object. Kasi kung halimbawa lang dito ako, pag ganun po, medyo kayo ako, nahampas dito. And therefore, I flick. And therefore, dito, then flick. Okay? And then, tingnan nyo, kung masyado ng below 35 to.